Before we get into seriously building our vocabulary, it would be a good idea just to spend a little bit of time talking about nouns and actually defining a noun. So the easiest way to do it is that a noun is any word where you can put a or the in front of it. For example, the word joke, you could say a joke or the joke, so therefore it qualifies as a noun. Same with party, you can say a party or the party. Walk, you can say a walk or the walk, again qualifies as a noun. Even the word happiness, you can say a happiness I've never known, or the happiness was immense, something like that. So again, happiness would qualify as a noun. Now the same word can function both as a noun and a verb at the same time. So don't get locked into thinking it has to be exclusively one or the other. It can be both. For example, you can say a joke, but you can say to joke as well, making it a verb. Or a party and to party, a walk and to walk. So you can see that the word can function either as a noun or as a verb. Now, doesn't work for everything, obviously. For example, you can say a car, making it a noun, but you wouldn't say two cars, so it couldn't be a verb. The same thing with happiness. You can say a happiness or the happiness, making it a noun, but you couldn't say to happiness, so it couldn't function as a verb. I'm sure that we all got taught the same definitions for a noun and a verb, things like that in school, but often those types of definitions, they cause more confusion than anything else. Instead, what I'd like you to do whenever you're trying to identify if a word is functioning as a noun or a verb or both, simply apply that same rule. So if you can say a or the in front of the word, it's a noun. And if you can say to in front of the word, then it can be a verb. And remember that it can be both. It doesn't have to be exclusively one or the other. So if you apply that simple rule to language and to the words that we go through, you'll find that you'll very quickly and easily be able to identify nouns, verbs, or words that function as both.